Kusha and Kabo to you. Thank you again for joining with today. This is Nakrio News, na Star Television, Channel 21. But first, the main points them. Budget Advocacy Network ban with support from Christian Aid under the Health Legacy Project don't present copy of 2019 health budget wey simple for understand to people them na Pujeon.
Be it direct tax or indirect tax. Now that information they the project we they put in the form of this budget.
The Madingo community na Freetong don crown the Minister of Energy as the new president for the Madingo Union.
Both districts, including all the other districts in the south, to plan it.
Voter turnout for the local council by-election award 257, according to reports, low as All People's Congress and the National Grand Coalition Party not take part.
Now, some of the reasons that there are, we make some people not do vote. And the other thing, people say they don't fed up.
And Basi Kagbo and Matu Kamara don't win the national championship president and first lady long tennis competition.
So you think say responsible defeats of you?
I think say they go to the defeat and not become volley, I just stay in the back and allow the man come.
Budget Advocacy Network band or engage community stakeholder them na Pujeon and staff them na the Pujeon District Council and District Management team for discuss about the allocation within they get for health and how they for use them for benefits the people them. Make we listen to the report. Budget Advocacy Network ban don't end one day stakeholders meeting na Pujeon Tong for continue for make people aware about waiting government for provide for make well body business improve na the community them. This na part of the Health Legacy Project where Christian Aid they support. The meeting bring together representatives from different groups na the community them and the district health management team for discuss about the progress and serve the challenge pan well body business. Ban me same way so use the opportunity for present one simple version of the 2019 health budget for the Pujeon District Council to the people them and tell them why they need for pay their different tax them. Program manager for Budget Advocacy Network Abdulrahman Molsin say the aim na for promote proper accountability na the district.
Really, government want for do more. But if the resources not there, government not able to do what he want to do. Hello? The man will come on and Minister of Finance go confirm to we, I say, government rely on the taxes when they generate in the country. Be it direct tax or indirect tax. Now that information they project, we they put in the form of this budget. We not estimate. So we expect to get this kind of money for Lord do this kind of work.
According to the program manager for the Rehabilitation and Development Agency, RADA, and Kagbo, the community people na all the 22 community where the project target, they'll make great improvements in the area of sanitation and hygiene. From where they begin implement the project, the people they make sure say they clean their community them for make sickness not unbog their well body. It continues say they can monitor and call on the authority them where medicine done na the hospital.
Say big poor cement is not a good again. And they get the free healthcare drugs, but that medicine way for men adults there in not it. So there are times that the nurses then they make their own arrangements with the community then for able for other drugs. So we want for the HMT know this afternoon say that one day a very issue, a very key for say they not get any adult drugs where they go to the hospital. They say they get cost recovery before, but I think you know it again.
One senior economist from the Ministry of Finance, na the local government finance department, Saliu Kamara said the Ministry of Finance they only allocate budget to council after they complete for do the needs assessment. We go make they understand better one waiting the council need for the year for develop the district. He said the council for make sure say they inform the people them waiting they don't receive for promote transparency.
If we zero in to health, because we all within our health business, waiting on your move to make sure say we get better services, and we also account for the services they will deliver. We get so many processes. We can start with how to allocate resources to the different councils there. And also we get 22 councils. Also, before now we get 19, now they don't go to 22 local councils. Now we get the responsibility for sharing the money among all the 22 local councils. And from where government giving that power they through the Local Government Act, past councils say the money small compared to what you want to do, but they don't say they go quick, because every year when they call all the local councils, when they call all the chairmen, when they call all the chief administrators, when they call the DMOs there, all the sector heads, the way it comes ahead, we call the DMOs, they will all sit down. We say, let me discuss how we for shape this money.
Mr. Kamara encouraged people for continue for pay tax and also monitor what the council they do with the tax money. It's a proper accountability go make them able for make plenty progress and develop the community and make the life of the people them better past our day. Diana Coker, Star Korea News. The National Electoral Commission will hold the Local Council By-Election Award 257 Saturday, April 20 for 5 political parties them. The People's Democratic Party, Republic National Independent Party, the Revolutionary United Front Party, and the reason for the by-election are because the council already been win the seat John Sempete been die. According to report, voter turnout been low.
One of the reasons we are observed now this by-election, one, the sensitization be very poor. You get me? Because most of the people will not be aware of the dates for the voting today. And another thing we disturb the voting at this community in the Luma. Although later on the paramount chief and some stakeholders then decide for Guna Luma, they cancel this Luma today in Makite. So now some of the reasons that there are, we make some people not do vote. And the other thing, people then say they don't fed up. You understand? Then they vote, they know they see any developments at this time. You start from the member of parliament, the way we don't they choose now, no developments, no they come. Then now the councillorship back, no developments, no they come. So people then just say, well, I just go waste my votes, I know they see any development they take place in the community.
Me I no vote because what happened? Team honor with team Randa, all team DI. All team DI. They will defect for people the rest. You no get the rest DI, market them DI. What you they feed the people they no easy. So me I defect from the people. So now what I look for just for you. I go fair market. I get over 7 people they want it. Would they eat any day 36,000 nowadays. So if you are not a drag, you not go able to eat. I not get my old thing there, market thing there. Instead, I decide say I dey go pay me market. That vote there, you not go profit me. Nothing. I not go able to get nothing. I not go able to get what they feed me picking and there. Now I make mistake. I decide say I dey go pay me market.
For somebody they say today one game day no dey spoil anything you can vote.
Yeah, but me, I not get interest no more for that. I not get interest. I not happy.
Well, the turnout is very much more quiet. As all over the town, if you go all over the town, you go really know see the turnout is very much quiet. We get something like nine polling centers inside this wall where they fight for so. But within that 9 polling centers there, so there are stations. Some are 4, some are 5, some are 3, and some are 2. But to me, own study what I don't do is that the people say they go vote. Reason because one, some then say them party where they get for vote for, where they at the heart for vote for, not to you contest. So because of them party no contest, so then they go for go vote. Then say I say needless for let go vote. Party where you know get, where you go there, na Congo say go fend it. Because of that, then say they need to go vote. Some then say they want for it. Then they be vote for a reason. What did they be vote for today at the general election? They don't see anything like that. So because of that, then the man fits it. They don't see no need for let them go again for go vote. We are in Asimo try they go out, they go and collect people in. And they hear the information, people that they can they gamble that say, we then go take we for gamble too. He say, but me, as I them me down, I thought me back me foot, accommodate back, and then they go to the center for go vote because what are they look for, I not see Andy. So now I make and then they vote.
The Madingo community in Freetown hold one ceremony for crowning the new president for the Madingo Union. Hilton John put this report together.
Both districts, including all the other districts in the south, to plan for all the other districts and all the other leaders for endorse your brother, Alhaji, Dr. Kanja Sise. As national chief for the Madingo.
For all the Madingo that would enter at the north, we all agree say nobody no go able for lead this Madingo in this country here we pass Alhaji Kanja Sise.
For the Madinga today. But I don't want to let the ground go less. I want to let the other Madinga go out and tell people that say now we get a national president. Now they come together and let them form committees there. Some of the traditional things the way Madinga get here work that they will control the taxes, the Akadi, all the one they don't they lost.
Unite and they will strengthen. So Tria, make me unite and ensure that we stand as one, and make me unite for ensure that we support the new president. If we not support them, they can't achieve anything. And we hope say the executive every time, not going to say and say that President can't say no one. So they try the no. They're all for doing a job and ensure say we continue for strengthening the Madinga Union.
I feel very good. And happy. I'm glad because the people have seen me and they trust me, they get confidence in me. So I'm so happy that Chinedu Denkai endorsed me as the national president of the Madinga Union Sierra Leone.
So it's you go bring to the union. Now we don't get the responsibility as the president.
Well, the mandate to the people they give me is that they want, they cry for unity. And if you see the Madingo Jamaat, it's quite a small bit, and there is need for us to all come together, bring all the different factions together, and then I'll be major assignment so that Madingo will be talk with one language and be seen, and protect the culture, the tradition, the language, and so anything we get for the Madinga business to protect them. That's the assignment to the people they give me.
So it's going to be a short-term plan, finally.
The short-term plan of put the system in place, a structure where they can look at the constitution and look at the various structures of the union. The short-term plan and then appoint a cabinet who will work with me to do all of this because there is no way we want anything to do this thing. Plus I get a team of people, dedicated people. So far they see a lot of people who are very happy and willing for work with me.
The president for the team in the Community Development Organization, Alhaji Mohammed Issa Katko Kamara, the all one peace meeting for settle the plaba between some Muslim people them. Andrew Bestman gets more on this.
The president for the Timni Community Development Organization and the United National Community Development Council, Alhaji Mohammed Isa Katku Kamara, say he decide for all the meeting na Basatong, who side the Masjid Day, so that plenty people go come and listen to the peace message where he bring come. According to Alhaji Katku, na only peace and cool heart go make they enjoy peace and unity na Waterloo and encourage residents them build on the team we go unite them.
Can really, with the delegation for CAN, preach national cohesion and peace among the population of the people of Basa Town, of Waterloo in general, because there is a small cham-cham dinaya. Adwam, using my organization, the Timni Community Development Council organization, and the United National Development, the Timni Community Development Council, Sierra Leone, and the United National Community Development Organization. For there, we see how best we talk to the people then, let them know, say all is not lost, let them come together and see how best and we will help in the development process of the country.
The Timni tribal head na the Western Area Urban District, King Hassan Kamara, commend Alhaji Mohammed Isa Katku Kamara for the peace initiative. He say important for any community for grow. He promise say then go support in plan and vision for the growth and development for peace and stability. He described Alhaji Mohammed Isa Katku Kamara as person wey gets vision, intelligent and God-fearing, and self gets positive attitude for development.
The country we go around help una, they give us somebody, they give us slave, who go find a way, we go work in the country with type of push way, go something if una walk up with that way, something God go help una. Now it just sound like this, go down the apple between us and this country. Just like putting them in the top, first they want them to end up in the apple, not to say be, now in the apple. Now, this young man who is the president of the Timni Community Development Council, Alhaji Isa Katku Kamara. He started this thing and part of the crown it as president too. Night time together, all the 16 tribes, they all make one umbrella. That's what we do in a freedom. And we make that organization, we all come up together. But we work together, we're not in politics, not to anything, not to do team, but try to unite the nation because of the problem we've been there after the election, which will happen. Then God give that says the ambition, and say, we'll make it do this. And he do them, and he succeed partner. And we all support them, we're glad for that. Before ever not, he don't come, become a president back of the Timni Community Development Council. So that also say, something God will happen in this country, and God must happen in this country.
The village headman for Basa Town, Momo Dumbuya, for sake of the people them, thank and commend Alhaji Mohammed Isa Katku Kamara for where he found way for settle the plaba way being there between member them na the mosque. He say that be done they affect development in Basa Town and the entire Waterloo community.
I tell I'm plenty thank you for the Kawan. I tell the passionate about we come with a back plenty thank you as a local safely. I believe they will come back safely. I'm really happy. I really compensate. Alhaji Katku come for solve the problem of the mosques in Basa Town and the people in Basa Town. Affairs. I will tell God thank you. He come today. We don't come address we all day together as one. Now we all don't bind by myself. We all don't tell I do fine. We won't talk fine. So we tell him plenty for that. We can Basa Town. We can solve the problem. So tell him.
The visit of the president of the Timni Community Development Organization clearly demonstrates in passion for make peace, tranquility, and development in a community them. And self, they show in commitment to nation building. Mina and the best man with the report.
This is Creole News from Star Television. Continue to stay with me as we go for a short break.
digital revolution continues. Catch all the special moments with the real 4G experience from Orange. Dial star 800 hash.
Orange.
Well, now the time for sport and inside sport today. Basi Kagbo and Matu Kamara don't win the national championship president and first lady long tennis competition. Hilton John gets more.
Thank you to you, Dana. Inside the KUs today, the Sierra Leone Lawn Tennis Association don't end the national championship where they play the President Julius Maada Bio competition and also the First Lady. The competition be held at the Hill Station Tennis Courts. Also, we seen the athletes and Glady for the executive. According to the athletes, this is not the first time inside 5 years where they get a competition where they see national participation. Kelvin Kelly, the president of the association, he will talk more to Star Sport and also the vice president, Wena Ali Musen, about this year's celebration from the point of the Salone Lawn Tennis Association.
Let's start to talk about the game. We see at one point today in a better form, you use the momentum, then you pick up back. I decided for you. Do you expect to be more competition? What did you expect more from the association?
We have so much talent that we're not going to take advantage of it. And this shows that we have so much talent in this country, not only in tennis and everything, but we have to use them with the proper mechanism, the proper management, we suppose, for inspire the young ones. And all those people, they need inspiration. And how they inspire them for give them not only money, awards and everything, and sponsorships. We get a long way to go, and really, I'm very proud.
So what next for the association as the tournament don't come to an end?
We're only 100 days. We're not even reached 100 days in this managementship, and we've done a lot. So you can imagine after 12 months, and I've said that before, when I give you 1 year. Now we don't begin turn heads, and some banks, institution, corporation, don't begin to be for sponsorship. And we sure for say in 1 year, with the support we use your own personal money, we begin use the clubbing money, and we promise you now, this club and this association will be one of the household names in this country.
Everything I just a match, I win or lose, and I try for work hard and everything I mistake I do today. From the next time I don't make mistake in the game.
So you didn't say responsible defeats of you?
I think say they go to the defeat and not become volley, I just stay in the back and allow the man for playing your own game. I think I make a loss today.
We seen you didn't high gear, then you release your moment, so wait till we went on.
I swear I don't know think I inside me I look. As the game they go I look at small and you relax and put myself under pressure.
You don't think you need for work more than how you play?
I think I need for work more.
What more do you expect from the association?
I expect good things from the association because the association they don't try. They don't try to do good things. So I hope they keep on the good work.
And it's a good development inside tennis for they see this competition they play. We hope they will continue for make sure that Salone will get better athletes. We're going to represent the country inside international competition. Rokel Commercial Bank don't end one-day sports meet. Now they Rokel Beach. Also, we see 10 events be unfold in the competition. According to the one day we sabi count and keep money, say then Glady for the competition. Ekundayo Gilpin, the managing director, he say not to all time they work at them for the seat in office for the count uploads money. Now look how it will look like inside the one-day event.
Go bien, small. Go bien, please. Go bien, small.
Pula, Cynthia, Cynthia, pass! Cynthia, pass!
Everybody appreciates me because I take part. So I'm really happy for this CSL parties. And now you get me fit. Because I do this, so I like it.
You been on the team for the past years?
No, it's here at since school days. Past Liverpool currency.
And you expect to say you win?
Yeah, I'm not upset to win because of my inspiration and I'm game for Swaka and live for the time here.
I feel fine because I'm not the winners for this event.
You think so this necessary for us as a staff?
It's very necessary because as this is part of exercise and it's good to the banker for the exercise.
I feel very good, I feel very proud because I can represent this house and I can get the opportunity for me now.
You think so this is good for us as a staff?
Yes.
Well, we have decided for organizer because we say needed for bringing the staff together. Needed for make sure that the staff are physically fit. Needed for promote competitive nature inside the bank, inside the staff then. Needed for let the bankers they understand say we get for be smart, astute, strategic and dynamic. So in sports they exude all the attributes they are so. You see your opponent and you strategize how to win. We want to hear not only about winning at it, it's about competing. So we take this, we translate them into activity, into action. We'll go begin for work back every day. We get competitors then, we get customers that what they look for. So from this kind of spirit here, so this kind of physical fitness, we're able to get people them start operate more dynamically as bankers inside the institution.
So how many houses and compete in this sports meet?
And the 4 houses there. You know, we name the houses after previous managing directors them. And we get 4 colors them. We're very, very, very unique to the house them. And we believe, say, then 4 houses then there. So today we will find the first one. We will historically win the first sporting event. And then the 9 will be on top for the next 12 months.
So at the end of the sports meet, what are you have achieved as a bank?
As a bank, we achieve 2 things. 1, with the bank we get more visible. 2, staff them able to coordinate better. 3, staff they're able to think more dynamically. And this is a physical fitness where they make staff feel stronger, better, faster, for able to be more alert for do their work.
When I go use this sport for select the better athletes who are going to represent the bank?
Yeah. I mean, this sport could be a platform for pick out the best, should I say, participants for different events. This is an outdoor activity where they do so. We're in season camp, we'll get indoor sporting activities. It will be equally useful and beneficial to we. But most of all, we'll try to create a platform for different approach to banking. Not only will they try to make a profit for shareholders when the people of Australia and the government of Australia, but also they try to make the public then can begin for get fun with we, do sports with we, play with we, and they bring banking in a different way to the masses.
When I go to do this every year?
By God in power. I want to thank the team we organized this year too. Special reference to Auntie Jajwa, to Augusta, to Shaka, and also to who else?
Congratulations to the winner them, and better luck next time to the house there winner will do well inside the competition. And all that we get inside the Creole News today. Back to Idana at the studio.
That's not the Creole News. We can see you from Star Television Channel 21. Now all this we get for you today. Join me on Wednesday for more news updates. Till then, ta-ta.